Howdy everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing American Farming episode 6 of the dairy farm series. Just waiting for it to load in here. We're planting beans at this field that we didn't till. Then we're going to put solid fertilizer on it, because we have a nitrogen skin spread on that field right now. But I don't quite think he's doing what he's supposed to. I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? Buddy, it's not even okay. We're gonna hire someone to plant these beans. Hire worker, headlands and rows. Not in the field, alright. Yeah, I know that. Stop yelling at me. There, he's gonna run headlands, and then, like I said in the last video, we're gonna be doing manure. But we're almost out of manure at the farm, so this is probably the last load of manure. We just wanted to get the manure pen all cleaned up from the cows. My coin. So, we're just about empty. And then we'll throw this away. Put it back in the back. Yep, we're empty. I'm pretty sure there's not any manure left. I might be wrong, but machine shed's gonna redo or moving equipment around in there. Yeah, we're out of manure. Gosh, yeah, that manure is like probably just not even barely any. Let's get this backed up quick. So now we're gonna hop in the truck and we're gonna head down to Dad's place real quick. Because we have all our fertilizer equipment down there, because we're spreading down there. Gonna take the turn. Now it's really just a straight shot to Dad's. That field's fertilized and planted with beans. Jump. Nowhere. But there is a little jump up here. You know what? Full throttle. Nothing. Now let's just head to Dad's place. Just gonna pull up right over here. Hop in the anhydrous unit, get the rest of this field knocked out, because then we're going to put corn back in here again. Let's get some anhydrous knocked out. Now we're going to pull out the dual 1086 with the dually, with the duals and the planter, and start planting corn. We just had to store it at Dad's, so we didn't have to drive it from the field all the way back to the farm. The other field over there is beans. we can just throw corn on this field. But we don't have we have 2 hired workers now, so we have to do this ourselves. Because in the game you can only have 2 hired workers. And one's doing anhydrous and one planting beans. I'm clueless on what he is doing right now, but it's fine. Change of plans. We are going to finish up this field of anhydrous because I guess AI workers aren't that smart anymore. But they're not bad, but sometimes they just get a little messed up. So we're going to get this bit knocked out and then the other side. And then 2 more fields and then I think we're done. We'll leave all the like massive fields for this year. Because then next year we'll get a bigger cultivator set up and stuff, hopefully. But for now, this is episode 6 of the Dairy Farm series. I don't know how many episodes I'm going to do of this series. We're going to do another video of just like taking care of the animals eventually and then shopping. This is going to be one bigger video because we have 3 chopper wagons and we got to chop corn for the cows, but we should be able to last a while. But like that field we're going to do anhydrous on. But we'll get this knocked out quick. And that field, and then 2 on there. But they're not too big. Almost done with this field. Let's get it done. After this row, literally right here, there's just 1 pass left on this end and the other end. Let's race over there, lower it quick, and get that part done. See, we just have right over there to do, and then we might do those 2 little fields. Just got done with this field of anhydrous. We're not even going to fold it up because we're just going to head over to this field real quick because this is the one we chopped. And max number of farmhands reached. I don't want to plant with that little thing. We'll plant with the big boy. And then you can do that, little man. And we're going to get the fertilizer spreader down there. And we're just going to finish up planting this field. As much as I don't want to. We're going to plant it. I think there's a little bit up there left, and then we have to do that big field. I'm not doing that big field myself. But lots of the corn is going to have anhydrous on it, so it's going to have a pretty good yield bonus. But I really hope eventually that once we start growing this farm really big, we can start having like big equipment. Like, we don't need a 7240 combine. We don't need that. We're good with our 2 combines. But 2 combines is totally fine. But the 2 planters we have, but the 1 planter, we kind of need to upgrade about that. Sorry about that sound back there. I was doing something. But it's snowing out right now, so that's cool. Once we get to the end here, like where we are, we're just going to turn this planter around to lower it. Let's see. It's snowing out a little bit. But we're going to finish up planting this field. Because planting is kind of fun sometimes, but sometimes it can be boring, but when we're in the 1086, it's not that bad. So we're bouncing a little bit. Okay, now we can turn it back around. think we got one more pass and we're done with this field. But I do not know what field we're going to go into, but I got to get a bean header soon. You know what? Let's actually... Dealership. You know, we should get... That'd be funny. So there is a new deal. I don't know if I mentioned this in my later video, but there is a new... If you watch the squad video on YouTube, there is a new... DLC coming out. I will have you guys updated when that DLC and new update on American Farming comes out. And then I'll make a video on that, on the new DLC, rating it, reviewing it. So this channel is gonna be some reviewing, like when new mods and stuff for this game come out. I'm gonna, like, right when I know it comes out, review it, look at it, make a video of it, so you guys all know what's in it, kind of. But I think that's gonna be all for today. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and howdy rowdy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Howdy rowdy out.